In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to indent on Google Docs, a valuable skill if you're working on a document that requires structured formatting, like reports or essays. Whether you're new to Google Docs or just need a quick refresher, you're in the right place. Let's start by opening your web browser. In the search bar, type in Google Docs and hit Enter. Google's own productivity suite should appear at the top of the search results. Click on that link to open Google Docs. If you prefer shortcuts, you can bookmark Google Docs, so it's just a click away next time. Once you're in Google Docs, you'll need to log into your Google account if you're not already signed in. If you don't have an account, creating one is simple. Just follow the prompts to set up your new account. Having access to Google Docs means you can work on your documents anywhere, anytime, and on any device, as long as you have internet access. After you've logged in, decide whether you want to create a new document or open an existing one. For a new document, click on the blank document option to start from scratch. If you're working on something you've already started, just find that document in your list of recent files and click to open. Now that you have your document open, the next step is to select the paragraph or paragraphs you want to indent. Click and drag your mouse across the text. You'll know it's selected because it will be highlighted. Selecting the text first ensures that only your chosen sections get indented, not the entire document. With your text selected, take a look at the top of the page. There's a toolbar with various icons and options. You're looking for the Increase Indent button. It looks like a right-facing arrow followed by a text block. Click this button once, and you'll see your paragraph shift slightly to the right. This is the indent. Perhaps you've gone a little too far, or you want to remove the indent altogether. No worries. Just find the Decrease Indent button, which usually sits next to the Increase Indent button and shows an arrow pointing left. Click it to move your text back to the left, reversing the indent. And there you have it. Indenting in Google Docs is really as simple as a few clicks. This tiny adjustment can make a big difference in the readability and professionalism of your document. It's a minor detail that has a major impact, especially in formal writing contexts. Give it a try and see how it enhances your next document. Thanks for watching, and happy documenting.